Good morning, guys. I just woke up. It's like 10:30 right now, so I slept in some, which was nice. But me and my sister are gonna go see Sinners today, so we're getting ready to go do that, and then we'll see what else we get into. When Sinners first came out, someone I know told me it was bad, so I was like, oh, I just won't bother seeing it. But now it's like trending on TikTok with how good it is, so I'm like, okay, I gotta go see it because I also just love Michael B. Jordan. But figured I'd vlog the next few days because I actually have stuff planned to do. So come spend a few days with me. Hey guys, we just got back. We went to Taste for lunch, which is a restaurant here, and then we just split a sandwich. And then we saw the movie Sinners. I thought it was pretty good. I don't know what you thought.
I thought it was really good. I was expecting it to be scary, and I don't like horror movies, but it was really good.
Yeah, it's categorized as a horror movie, but it really wasn't that scary. Then we went to Five Below after. I got a jewelry holder because I need one here. And then I got the 2 5-pound pink dumbbells because I've been looking for them everywhere because I want to do Pilates workouts at home. But I finally found them.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. About to catch another fight, yeah. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite, yeah. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know, now you know. If you broke,
put your hands up, feel the beat. DJ Janelle Segano Remix.
Good morning, guys. Today's Thursday. It's like 10:15 right now. I got up a little bit ago. I did journal meditate, but then I kind of bed rotted for a little bit. I'm on my period, so I'm kind of tired, but I finished reading this book last night, All American Boys. So good. I think everybody should read it, honestly, but I'm trying to read like all the banned books, and I picked this one up because it was on sale and literally read it in like 3 days. So really good read if you need a book recommendation. I don't know how, I haven't read it yet, but did that. I want to go get a little workout in, but I'm supposed to hang out with my sister in a little bit, so I'm trying to decide if I want to go all the way to the gym, or I could go on a walk, or I could just do a Pilates workout here now that I have like my dumbbells and stuff. But I definitely want to move my body a little bit before we go do stuff, so we'll see where we end up. I decided I'm just gonna go on a walk real quick, so I'm gonna take him out. I think I'll do like a Pilates workout later, or maybe go to the gym later, but here's my outfit. Just black t-shirt, black leggings. Hi guys, it's been a little while. I went on my walk, then I ate a snack when I got home. I ate sourdough toast, and then I put whipped feta, tomato, and balsamic glaze on it, and then I made my little hydration drink from Wella, and then I just took a shower, dried my hair, about to do my makeup. Me and my sister are gonna eat lunch and then go do a little shopping.
Why you always in the mood? I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Really, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood?
Hey guys, it's like way later now, but me and my sister ended up going to the outlets. Of course, I didn't find anything, but it's fine. I'm trying to save money because there's a ton of concerts I want to go to this summer, but she found some stuff, so. But came home, ate dinner with my family. I just got in bed, did my skincare and stuff, so probably gonna do a little editing and go to sleep soon. Also saw that Skilla Baby got shot like 5 times and then crashed his car after. But he's alive, so it's okay. But I'm so upset over that. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning.
And it goes like this. We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lay on the backseat. And then one random night when everything changes, you won't reply, I'll go back to straight.
Hey guys, happy Friday. Went and ran some errands with my sister this morning. We got some stuff for my dad because his birthday's tomorrow. And then we came home, ate lunch. She went to work. And my mom's coming home soon, and we're going to run errands because my sister's birthday's on Monday. So we have like 2 birthdays back to back. So we were just getting stuff ready for that. But yeah.
Cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down. I say don't call me now, cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down.
Hey guys, guys, happy Sunday. I didn't vlog much yesterday because we were doing stuff for my dad's birthday, but just went to Richmond for the day and then went to dinner. Then just ate breakfast this morning and did some stuff around the house. Now me and my sister are about to go tan because the UV's 10, so obviously I need to go tan because it's gonna rain the rest of the week anyways, but yeah. Hey guys, it's been a few days honestly. I just forgot to end the vlog, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one just because I have some other videos I'm gonna start that are gonna come out soon after this one. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and comment down below if you have any video ideas, and thanks for watching.
High volume. Am I really that much?